Welcome back, guys. This is Stripe Grid, and today we are trying to check which is the font closest to the Terminator font. In Canva, there are n number of fonts, and what I could figure out is just select the text, the text box, and click on the fonts. And if you keep scrolling, or you will have to search something like modern, in there you can find something nearer to the Terminator font, but there is one in particular, and here it is. You have something which is related not directly to Terminator, but this is what I could actually find, and this is another one. So if you just type in O in the font section, you will see these two fonts, Origin Tech Regular and Overclock Regular, and the other ones are not matching at all, but these are the nearest ones which I could figure out. So if you like this video, please leave a comment below